Everyone, this is Norlin Oligo Sarma, licensed immigration consultant. As an immigration specialist, I have a profession that changes someone's life's trajectory. This person that I want to feature is someone who really deserves miracle. He came to Canada last September 2023 as a tourist visa holder. While processing from the Philippines, he hardly has money going to Manila or even for lunch. How can I not appreciate immigration to Canada when before his family was just a tail from the crowd? His family were the center of extra pities, a family of surviving every day. When you look at them, everyone will pity on them. One day I heard a story when his parents borrowed money from someone. They just collected the cavans of rice without even asking his dad. His dad cannot do anything but to cry, and even his mom. He had worked as a cleaner in the mall, and that hard-earned money he shared to his parents, his siblings, and together all of them dreamed the impossible that only God can allow all this to come true. It was a story that really touched my heart. And I said to God, Lord, try to make a difference into this someone's life. And Lord, please use me so that I could be able to change the life of this family. Little I know is the Redeemer of the needs of his family from his little salaries of $100 a month in the Philippines. Now, his future, his family can now have the options to be the best. He is truly blessed, and his family. Let's watch his journey to work permit, caregiver with permanent residency pathway, an impossible immigration law to possibilities. That when you apply for LMIA under caregiver program and you are a tourist visa holder, your application will be returned and they will not process. That's what the immigration says. I did not believe that. Immigration is being brave, and immigration, part of it, is being lucky. This is a story where it is proven that immigrating to Canada is not all about the immigration law. It is all about how you take a chance in getting that goal that you want.
Anong papel mong dumating dito, Joseph? Naka-onan.
I came here being a tourist visa.
Tourist visa. Okay. Kailan yun?
Since September 16, 2023.
Ngayon, ano ngayon? Ano today?
Today, thank you for Ate Norilyn. My working permit is approved now.
Kuritam nagbaling mga.
Agyan man nakatikin niya ng apo, ta ka na-approve na di work permit ko, bato ko ni Manang.
Anong klaseng work permit?
Caregiver.
Oh, wow. So ngayon, hindi ka na tourist?
Hindi na po.
Okay, anong pakiramdam mo ngayon dahil work permit holder ka na?
Sobrang saya po ate. And then grateful ate.
Ano pa?
Lahat ng pagod ko sa sobrang lamig, maglalakad ako hanggang Upper Canada, hanggang sa bahay nila ate. Yung tipong pan ate, nawala lahat ng pagod ate. And then, I'm always palagi ko sinasabi kay mama na wait lang mama, na wait lang kasi wait lang, abuturay tayo lang ta mudan tati papel ko, oray payong kanta ti korta nama.
Patalakan.
Padala tati ka, kayong mo to di korta nama.
Yes.
Ate, di korayo mo.
Yes, they deserve that.
Pasensya na ka ni mama ko ta, ano daw sa naka medyo gigpitak.
Good.
Gigpitak ata siyempre yung may bagbagang ka.
Nga, umpay papel mo.
Okay natin, ang tatanakan. Nauray mo naman.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
Hindi ko
God.
pa may bagbakan nga natin.
Nice, amazing. Okay. Tapos na.
Ayun natin.
Anya planom. Anya planom.
Makata ano ba? Ate. Ka plano ta tate pa. Ayun na, business. Tadi dia sebelah naman yung businessan. Ni papa, ina mo, lalingan mo na pa ati businessan. Bayaw na to.
Kariramon ko na.
Karirimon na yun. Dati ka, may bagdag nga papilan.
Yeah.
Lalingan tayo na titinulong, ay ito number 1. Tulong tayo, adi lang matikuan. Wish ko talaga nga nalalaing. Katantay na gini bawal nun.
Yeah.
Gini bawal lang aramido nun.
Eh, nagsingpo ni Joseph. Oh my goodness. Angel ka niya. Angel, oh. Tamang-tama yung pangalan. Well, I'm happy for you.
Pagyamanan natin, ama. Pagyamanan ka na.
You're welcome. Congratulations ulit.
Thank you, ate.
There you go, everyone. That's Joe. Joe na lang ang
Yeah,
pangalan
they
niya
call me
kasi work permit holder na siya. Kahit anong papel mong dumating dito, Joseph? Nakaunad.
I came here being a tourist visa.
Na to.